Hello, my dear lovely people. How are you all? How is going your practice? Actually, my practice is going well, not bad, and I will try my best level for improve my spoken English. Uh, but sometimes I am feel upset when I cannot improve my spoken English, when I cannot speak fluently, when I cannot able to express my opinion. But it's come automatically. I don't know. After that, I control it, and then I try my best level for improve my spoken English, and I attention to me on study, on listening and reading. How can I improve this this part? Um, Actually, I think that when uh, we cannot improve spoken English in main region, we are not attention. We are not serious on this thing, and if we are serious on practice, if we are serious in practice in English, we must be improved, we must be developed, we must be speak fluently, we must be develop spoken skill. But we cannot do it without we cannot do anything develop without seriousness, without regular practice, uh, without dedication. Sometimes I think it okay, but life is not go same way. Sometimes it's like up and down. Sometimes we can study more attentionally, and sometimes we cannot study properly. It's a part of our life. But those who are practice, those who are study regular basis, and they are their task, their goal easily, and uh, they are improve their necessary thing regular basis. So we should try our best level for improve our necessary thing, then we can do better thing in future. Thank you for watch my video, and I know I make many mistake. After that, I share this video on social media because it's my job, and it's my regular activity.